Friends, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can actually create a poster, design, banner, whatever it is, and even picture. So I have already done that using the Google Flow. So right now I want to try something else, which is called the Arena. So there we can actually create, image, video, whatever we want. So for me, I'm just going to create the direct chat, and then also I'm going to copy all of the prompt. So this is my prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt. I will paste it into the Arena, and I will paste two image. Okay, so let's right click window. This is my first image, and this is my second image. Okay. Now I will ask Arena to generate the image. So we are using Nano Banana Pro. So let's click the enter. Now Arena will take little bit of time. So after that you will see this result. Okay. So guys, finally I have generated using the Arena. So now you see the result is something like that. But it is I need to 1:1. But he gave me this result. So next time I'm just going to copy the prompt again. And after that I will ask this prompt, hey, the size will be 1:1. And then at the end I will mention the size will be 1:1. Okay. So and then also after that I will give all of the images that I have given before. So I have a more image. So I will take one product image. I will take this one and I will paste to this AI Arena. So instead of this one, that's no, I have my product picture. So I will take the product picture, which is this one. Let's copy this and paste to the Arena, and let's click the generate. Okay, and same thing guys in Google Flow. I think instead of this image, let's paste this image. Okay, right click, paste this image. It's not okay, so it's pasting maybe here. So let's right click and paste this image. Now it's uploading here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click here and I'm just going to give all of the information here, and after that I will remove this and I will do the plus. I will. Okay, so let's remove this one as well and right click, add this. Okay, so it's not getting add this way. So first of all I have to click on the plus and okay, let's copy, and if I click on over here, this is the okay, this is the image. Right click, prompt, and I have to paste again the client logo. So this is my client logo. Okay, so all of them are uploaded. So on that I can also add something like that this way. This is edit. Okay, let's generate. So first of all I would like to generate with the Nano Banana. Oh, the two logo have been added. So initially I would like to generate with the Nano Banana Pro. Size will be 1:1 and 2, and click the generate. And same thing, I'm gonna give all of the prompt again. Okay, high quality image prompt. Okay, let's right click, which image, this image plus my logo, and after that guys I will select the Nano Banana 2, and then I would like to see which result is good. Okay, so to now we are generating the 4 image. As you can see here, I will also generate it. So I think this is 1:1. I will download this one, and all of them I will send it to my client, and my client will choose the best one. Okay, so I will regenerate them since I don't like. Okay, so now again come to the Google Flow. Google Flow is generating. Okay, so I will send them to the client. Okay, so after that my client will choose the best one because I might like something but my client don't like. Okay, so that's might be happening. So that's why I will send it to my client, and once my client actually confirm, then I will actually start. I will add it to the website. Okay, so in my website as you can see as my client event, so I will add it over here. Okay, pretty simple and straightforward. And now okay, so once you see this error into the Arena, because this is free tool, so most of the time you will see this error, so you should give it a try again, and then I think it will generate. Okay, now it actually generated. So I will send a couple of image, best image to the client, and my client will choose. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand how to do that. So if you really like this video, subscribe. And guys, if you want to create this type of poster, and also Shopify store, and then also our agency offers Shopify free store. So if you want, you can feel free to reach out on. I will give our agency link into the description and comment box, so you can feel free to reach out us. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Now you see error. So guys, I think it will generate after giving a couple of refresh. So if you really like this video, subscribe, and in future what type of content you're looking for, let me know. And if you need any type of help, come to my agency website, and at the bottom there is the option for live chat. You can message me on the WhatsApp, okay, for quick response. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.